Priyadarshani. Today I am going to tell you about parts of plants and their types and function. There are different parts of plants such as roots, stem and leaves. First I will tell you about types of roots. There are two types of roots. Fibrous root and tap root. In fibrous root, all the roots are of same size and tap root have only one main big root from which small roots arise. And now I am going to tell you about types of venation leaves have. The arrangement of veins on leaves is known as venation. There are two types of venation, reticular venation and parallel venation. Reticular venation have network connection all over the leaves and parallel venation have vertical and horizontally parallel veins. For example, these types of leaves have parallel venation and these types of leaves have reticular venation. Thank you.
Good morning friends, my name is Pushpak Ramchandra Sahu and I am from 8RT class. Today I will teach you what are the structures of plant cell and animal cell. So get started. First I will teach you what are the parts of plant cell. The parts of the plant cell are cell wall, cell membrane, large vacuole, chromosomes, cytoplasm, mitochondria, plastids and nucleus. And the parts of the animal cell are cytoplasm, cell membrane, nucleolus, mitochondria, small vacuole, nucleus and chromosomes. So first, I will teach you one by one. The first is cell wall. Cell wall allows the plant in the rest position. It does not allow the plant to move. And after that there is cell membrane. Cell membrane allows the food to come inside and go outside. Large vacuole. Large vacuole store the food in the cell. Nucleus. Nucleus is known as the brain of the cell. Chromosomes. Chromosomes are the thread-like structure inside the nucleus. Cytoplasm. Cytoplasm are the jelly-like substance in the cell. Mitochondria. Mitochondria produce the energy for the cell. Plastid. Plastid is the most important part of the plant cell because it helps in the process of photosynthesis and it also gives the color to the plant, which is done by chloroplast. So now come to the animal cell. We already learned all these parts, but there is one more part in the chromosomes, that is DNA, in which there is genes. Genes allow to transfer the characteristic from parents to offspring. And I hope you will like my video. Bye. Happy learning.
Good morning everyone. My name is Durga Prashil Gadekar. I am from class 6. Today I am going to teach you like and unlike fraction. First, like fraction. A fraction which has same denominator is called as a like fraction. For example, 1 by 4, 2 by 4 and 3 by 4. You can see here the denominators are same 4, 4, 4. So this is called as like fraction. Second, unlike fraction. A fraction which has different denominator is called as unlike fraction. Example, 2 by 3, 4 by 5 and 4 by 6 is unlike fraction. You can see the denominators are 3, 5 and 6. Denominators are different. So this is called as unlike fraction. Everyone got like and unlike fraction? Okay.
Hello everyone, myself Purva. Today I am going to tell you plotting mixed fractions on the number line. The combination in which whole numbers and the proper fraction occurs is called mixed fraction. For example, 4 2 upon 3. Plot 4 2 upon 3 on a number line. So I have drawn the number line, but while drawing the number line, you should make sure that you have included its whole number and its successor in the number line. So from the 0, I have moved to the whole number, that is here 4, and then I have divided the 4 and 5 means I have divided the whole number and its successor into as many parts as the denominator of the fraction. So denominator's value is 3. So I will divide 4 and 5 into 3 equal parts, 1, 2 and 3. Then I will take a look at the numerators, and numerator's value is 2. So from the whole number, that is here 4, I will move 2 steps ahead, 1 and 2. So at this point, 4 2 upon 3, this fraction will occur. So or you should follow these steps to plot any other mixed fractions on the number line. Thank you.
My name is Aditi Nizari and today's my topic is light. So the word largely means the sense of a sight which helps us to see what is around us. But the eye alone cannot see an object. When the light from the object enters in our eyes, then we are able to see the object. So the light may be emitted by the object or it may be reflected by it. So now we have understand how the objects are visible to us. Let's move on to our next. Our next topic is laws of reflection. Before that, we will see one activity. Here is a light bulb and this is a mirror. When we will keep the mirror in front of the light bulb, it will reflect the light back. So now we have looked at one activity. In that, there was a mirror and the light bulb. The light bulb was striking the light on the mirror. This is called incident ray. And the mirror was reflecting it back. This is called reflected ray. And this is normal. So the first law of a reflection is that both of this, incident ray and the reflection ray, both are equal. And the second law of a reflection is that three of them lies on a same plane. Means incident ray, normal and reflection ray. Three of them lies on a same. So now we have understand the laws of reflection. So let's summarize what we have learned. We have learned that how the objects are visible to us, and second, the laws of reflection. Thank you.
I am Shravani Vijay Borchatti from Priyadarshani school and I am in 8th standard. Today I am going to tell you information on our solar system. So firstly, let's learn about sun. The sun is nearest star from our earth. It is continuously emitting a huge amount of heat and light. It is a main source of heat and light for all the planets. So we are going to learn 8 planets in order from distance to the sun. As I told you, there are 8 planets. So let's start. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Mercury. The Mercury is the nearest planet to the sun. It is smallest planet in our solar system. Most of the time, it is very difficult to observe because it is hidden in a glare of the sun. Venus. Venus is Earth's nearest planetary neighbor. A day on a Venus is longer than a year. Venus has 90 times atmospheric pressure than that of the Earth. Brightest planet in the night sky. Mars. Mars is a slightly reddish in color, therefore we call the red planet. Mars and Earth have approximately same landmass. Mars is home to the tallest mountain in our solar system. Mars has the largest dust storm in our solar system. Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest and fastest spinning planet in our solar system. It has 67 moons. The great red spot has been around over a year. 13,000 hundreds could fit in the Jupiter. Saturn. Saturn is the least dense planet in our solar system. Saturn is a flattened ball. It has 62 moons. It is so big that 700 Earths could fit in it. Uranus. Uranus was the first planet. It was found using a telescope. Uranus is also called an ice giant. It is quite big because 63 Earths could fit in it. Neptune. Neptune's surface gravity is almost like Earth. Neptune has the strongest winds in our solar system. It is also called coldest planet. So, I have conducted this video because of Lead School SLC program. Hope you like it, ma'am or sir. Take care. Bye-bye.
Hello everyone, I am the student of Priyadarshani Senior Secondary School, Moshi, Pune. My name is Ankita Sombir Punia. I am studying in 8th standard. So today I am going to discuss about the science chapter 8, cell structure and functions. So let's get started. In this, I will discuss about what is cell. Cells are the basic structural unit of life, and cells are the smallest unit that is capable for performing life functions. Cells are found in all the living organisms. Now, what are prokaryotic cells? So, prokaryotic cells are not well defined, and nuclear membrane is absent in the prokaryotic cells. Genetic material float freely in the cytoplasm. The organism with prokaryotic cells are known as prokaryotes. Examples of prokaryotic cells are bacteria and blue-green algae. Now we will discuss about the what are eukaryotic cells. So eukaryotic cells are well defined. Nuclear membrane is present in the eukaryotic cells, and the genetic material is enclosed inside the nucleus. The organism with eukaryotic cells are known as eukaryotes. The examples of eukaryotic cells are animal cell, plant cell, and we are also the example of eukaryotic cells. Thank you.
Hello, it's me, Miss Anika Tamani. Today I'm explaining to you about the history chapter number 1, that is how, when and where. In this chapter, I will explain you the topic that is how to periodize. In this topic, I will explain you that importance of history. So let's go. In 1817, the James Mill of England, he is a Scottish economist and also a political philosopher. He published a book that was the History of British India, and that was divided into 3 volumes, that was Hindu, Muslims and Britishers. This division was based on the religion of the rulers. It ignores the people those times followed different religions. The historians also divided the history in 3 parts. That is the ancient history, second is the medieval history, and third is the modern history. In first, ancient history, we study about the old people, how they discovered the things. And the second is the medieval history. In medieval history, we learn about the Mughals and Mughal emperors, they have done the development at that time. And the third is the modern history. The modern history, in that we learn about the Britishers, how they come to India, how we get the freedoms. And thank you.
Hello, my name is Jatin Sunil Sonone and I am from Standard 8. My today's topic is administration of the Britishers. As the Britishers were expanding their territories, they need an effective administrative system. Initially, they divided their territories into small administrative units known as presidencies, which were governed by the governors, and the supreme authority was governor in general, and under him there were governors of the presidencies. At that time there were 3 presidencies: Bengal, Madras and Bombay presidencies. And the Britishers also introduced some laws and rules in the sections of law and justice, civil services and army, which are told in next section. This was all about the administration of the Britishers. Thank you.